Hello everyone, myself Dr. Apoorv Sahu. I attended Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja's practice management on the 1st and 2nd of April in Pune. I was waiting to hear sir since long, and I got an opportunity to attend his course live, and I grabbed it as soon as possible. I was lucky that sir's course got postponed by 15 days, because if it would have been a prior dates, I would have missed that opportunity to hear sir. But as it got postponed, I got an opportunity, and I immediately grasped it by paying my fees and booking my seat over there. Sir, I really needed this motivation from you. I wanted someone to tell me what to do basically for my clinic growth, and it helped. It is helping. This has been 1 week now, and I'm working on small things, and I feel that things will go on track, and I will be able to follow as much as I can, which I have heard in your clinic, in your course, and this is going to help me, because the basics remains the same, and whatever you have told is always going to help me to build my practice in a better way.